Hello, and welcome again to Exposing Truth Ministry, another health nugget. Now, today, I'm going to tell you some interesting facts that you may find very useful. But before I get into those facts, I want you to know that the information presented here have not been verified by the FDA, but they actually have been inspired by your creator. These videos are intended to help you live healthier, happier, and longer life with Jesus. I have some things here in my hand, and you might wonder, I'm not advertising for these people. This is like salt, I have garlic, I have clove, I have peppermint, I have thyme, I have wheatgrass, I have some hydrogen peroxide. Anybody here can tell me what I'm about to talk about? Anybody? Just a wild guess? What I'm going to share with you now are just some quick remedies for toothaches. Now, toothaches are not fun. And if you ever have a toothache, you know the number one thing to stop a toothache is make a dental appointment and show up at the dentist. The teeth stop hurt that morning. The tooth stop hurting. I don't know if anybody ever had that. But yeah, your tooth is hurting you all weekend, and Monday morning when it's time to go to the dental office, the tooth stop hurting you. But yeah, if you don't see the dentist and you run away because you're scared, the pain will come back. Now, I'm going to help you to know what to do if that pain come in between your way to go to the dentist. And I will say there will come a time when you may not be able to go to a dentist. So one of the first simple thing I want to tell you about a cold compress. Cold compress help with a lot of things, a lot of pain here and there. You put it on the painful area for 20 minutes. We're talking about temporary relief right here. So a cold compress can help you because the cold helps to deal with inflammation. Another thing I kind of tell you about is peppermint. Peppermint, the tea bag, actually is very good for, it has numbing properties in it. You can wet the tea bag, you can put it in the fridge, and you can put it on the inside, and that you will also find a lot of relief from your toothache with that. Then we talk about clove. Talk about clove oil. Clove oil is awesome with numbing effect, and that can help. Be careful of the lining of your other part of your mouth because it does pack a little punch in it. But if you don't have clove oil, the regular clove can work. I remember recently a friend of mine, I contacted a friend of mine who hadn't spoken in a long time, and she was having severe toothache. And she said, I don't have health insurance. I said, do you have clove in your kitchen? She said, yes. I said, take one or two and just chew it. It's gonna, do bad to the rest of your mouth, but that pain will hold you over until when you can get to a doctor. And she did report that it helped. Now, if you're gonna use clove oil, please use a carrier oil. You can, use it with another oil like coconut oil or something in it. Dab some on a cotton ball and swab it on the area that you are feeling the pain. Now, salt water is also very good. Salt water is good for inflammation. It's good for antibacterial, so that can help. I also have thyme. Did I mention thyme? Thyme is actually good. Thyme oil. And you can make your own oil. I think we have a presentation. I think Sister Rachel did a presentation on how to make your own oil, where you can steep it in olive oil over a period of time. And you can use thyme to help you to relieve your toothache. Another thing, vanilla is not just for your cakes and your pastry. It actually is also helpful in keeping that toothache and gum infection away. Garlic, garlic is a superfood, anti-cancer, anti everything that is bad you can think of. You can chew a few, you can actually crush the garlic and put it on the affected area, and it can cause some numbing there. Wheatgrass is awesome. If you can get the wheatgrass and blend it up and put it on, that's fine. If you can't, you drink this wheatgrass, and you can also swoosh and gargle with it. It has a lot of properties that can help you. And I'm not advertising for these people. I'm just showing you what the wheatgrass is like. Hydrogen peroxide, the 3% hydrogen, you put equal amount of water with hydrogen peroxide, and you swoosh it around in your mouth, and you repeat that throughout the day. So these are just things to help you to get through that pain that you may feel on the weekend before you can actually see your dentist. Now, you want to know that if you're having toothache, and it's accompanied by fever, you have trouble breathing or swallowing, or if the pain lasts for more than 1 or 2 days, if there's a swelling or pain when you bite, or abnormally bleeding gum, or there's a foul tasting discharge or pus, you definitely want to see your doctor. But until that time, these remedies are awesome. We talk about salt, we talk about cold compress, we talk about clove, we talk about thyme oil, we talk about wheatgrass, peppermint, which was a good little surpriser, hydrogen peroxide, and garlic. Let us know, how do you stop toothache? I mean, it might not be you, it might be somebody you know. And the interesting and important thing is that these things, most of these things can be found in our cupboards or in our refrigerator. The time is coming that we're gonna need to know how we can help nature and allow God to use the products that He has given us to bring us good health. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will know when another health nugget is available. Let us know in the comment below. Have you ever stopped toothache naturally? What have you used? Share your information. Remember, God wants you to be healthy, and so do we. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.